Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 3.3 Question number 3. Solve the equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equals 0 if its roots form a geometric progression. Let's write the given equation. 3x cube 26x square 52x minus 24 equal to 0. Comparing with standard equation, here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 26, c equal to 52 and d equal minus 24. Here the roots are in GP given geometric progression. Therefore, let roots are a over r, a and ar. Here this a is first term of the geometric progression and r is common ratio. Don't confuse with this a. This a is the coefficient of x cube. Now sum of the roots equal a over r plus ar. Here the sum of the root is minus b by a, which is equal minus b is minus of minus 26 is 26 over a is 3. That is, take LCM as r, a plus ar plus ar square equal 26 by 3, which okay 26, then by cross multiplying we'll get, now let it be 1 here first. Now the product equal a over r, ar equal, the product is minus d by a, which is equal minus d, that is 24 over 3 equal 8. The cut r and r, a cube equal 8, which gives a is cubic root of 8, which gives 2. We got 2. Then a equal to 2, substitute 1. In 1 we'll get 1. A is 2 here. 2 plus 2r plus 2 by r. Then a is 2 plus ar is 2r equal 2 by r plus 2 plus 2r equal 26 by 3. Then we have r is common LCM, that is 2 plus 2r plus 2r square equal 26 by 3. By rearranging, we'll get the equation in terms of r is 3r squared minus 10r plus 3 equal 0. By factorizing, we get r minus 3 into 3r minus 1 equal 0, which gives r values as 3 and 1 by 3. Therefore, roots are a, that is roots are a by r, a ar, which gives the roots are r is 3 means 2 by 3, a is 2 and 6. Even if you substitute r equal to 1 by 3, we can get the same values of roots. First question done. Then second one, that is question number 4 here. Determine k and solve the equation 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus k equal to 0 if one of its roots is twice the sum of the other roots. Question number 4. Let us write the given equation first. 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus k equal 0. Let us write the equation in comparing with the standard equation. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 3 and d equal k. Now one of the root is equal to twice the sum of the other roots. Let first roots are alpha, beta and gamma. The condition given is alpha equal to bracket beta plus gamma, which gives alpha by 2 equal beta plus gamma. Let it be 1. Now the sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal minus b by a, which is equal b is 6, that is minus of minus 6 is 6 by 2, a is 2, that is 3. Now from 1 alpha by 2 alpha plus beta is alpha by 2 plus alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 3. We have alpha by 2 beta plus gamma plus alpha equal 3, which gives 2 alpha plus 2 alpha equal to 3, which gives 3 alpha equal to 6, alpha equal to 2. Here alpha equal to 2. Now the product alpha, beta, gamma equal minus d by a, which is equal minus k by d is k here 2, which gives here. Now we got alpha is 2, therefore alpha beta gamma is alpha is 2 here, 2 beta gamma equal minus k by 2. Then from that we can say beta gamma equal minus k by 4. Let it be 2. Now also we have another relation of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal c by a, which is equal 3 by 2. Here now here alpha is 2, 2 beta plus beta gamma to gamma equal 3 by 2. We are substituting alpha value as 2. Then we'll get 2 bracket beta plus beta gamma equal 3 by 2. Then 2 beta plus gamma equal to alpha, because from 1 alpha plus beta gamma is 3 by 2, but beta gamma is, we have from 2 we have minus k by 4, therefore alpha minus k by 4 equal 3 by 2. Alpha is already we have 2 minus k by 4 equal 3 by 2. Then 2 minus 3 by 2 equal k by 4, which gives 2 is LCM, 4 minus 3 equal k by 4. Therefore k gives the value as is 2. K is 2 we got. Now from 2 we have beta gamma equal minus k by 4, which is equal, k is already 2, that is minus 2 by 4, which gives beta gamma is half. Beta gamma is minus half. Then from 1 we have beta plus gamma is alpha by 2, that is 2 by 2 equals 1. Beta plus gamma is 1. Now we have beta gamma is minus half and beta plus gamma is 1. From that we can get beta minus 1 over 2 beta equal 1. From that we'll make the equation 2 beta, that is 2 beta square minus 1 equal 1. From that we make the equation like 2 beta square minus 2 beta minus 1 equal 0. By solving quadratic equation with quadratic formula, b equal minus b, that is 2 plus minus root b square is 4 minus 4 a c by 2a is 4, which is equal 2 plus or minus 4 plus 8 by 2. Therefore beta we have 2 plus or minus 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 8 is 12. Square root of 12 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 over 2, 4, which gives, after simplifying, you get 2 take out, 1 plus or minus root 3 over 4, cut 4 and 2, that's 2, then 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So we have beta value is 1 plus root 3 over 2. Hence the roots. Hence the roots are 2, alpha is 2, beta is 1 plus positive will take was root 3 by 2, and then gamma is here 1 minus because gamma is beta gamma is minus half. Therefore, other root and 1 minus root 3 by 2. So we got a 3 roots. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.